Meet Australia's leading mass timber design and manufacturing specialists. Our expert MASSLAM design team delivers comprehensive design for manufacture and assembly support, from early concept advice to detailed connection design and LOD 400 modelling. Backed by state-of-the-art CNC technology and precision manufacturing at our Victorian facility, producing Australia's only EWPAA-certified Glulam. The result, a naturally beautiful, highly sustainable building product with a superior strength and stiffness. MASSLAM, engineering excellence in mass timber from Australian Sustainable Hardwoods.